Just starting everything up. Sorry, just had to make sure. Completely out of fuel. This is a 1926 Ford Model T touring car. Make sure the fuel is shut off. Look at this thing. A 4-cylinder. So it's been a week or two, and the red truck has had some work done to it. Whoa. Hi. Yummy. What is that?
Cup holder.
Oh, ew. The red truck from last video is now done. Transmission is in, drive shaft is in, rear end is in with new drums and everything, kind of. Look at this, look at this. Seats are mounted fully. Shifter fully mounted with the cable running through down to the ground. Mounted. Yeah. The seat mounted. Both of them recline and scoot forward and back. Fuel system did end up getting finished. So, has a Sniper EFI. Fuel system ran to the tank. I only have the left tank right now, no fuel gauge, unfortunately. Got it back on the ground, got fuel block off plate for the mechanical pump. Still have some wires to clean up, but you know, pretty well set up. I got the coolant temp sensor running right here. That's really all the sensors there was. I had to have one wire running from the harness to the distributor. All the fuel pump stuff is already in the harness. And then I have the red, black wire going to the positive and negative. And yeah, that was about it. I even have, so there's a 10-pin connector that you're supposed to use for your fans and AC and whatnot, but I'm not gonna use that because I have an electronic fan controller down here and works out pretty good. So I wish I had a video of the first start, but let's see how it does. Turn on the key. Everything turns on, starts booting up. We got, it says stall. Yeah, see how it starts up. nice startup. It actually idles up and then goes back down. I do have an exhaust leak coming from this side of the headers, but idle's really good. It starts up, revs up a little bit, then returns to like normal idle once it's warm. But this is basically how it started up from the very beginning. So as you can see, pretty good. Still learning. I've only driven it maybe 5-10 miles, but yeah, so far I'm really impressed with the Sniper. Starts right up almost every single time, no problem. The setup was really easy. You just go through the wizard and it's really nice. Other than that, yeah, I know the exhaust in the back needs to be fixed, but oh well. And this is, you know, first gear, second gear, pull it, third gear, let go, fourth, pretty easy. And then neutral, reverse, park. So works out really good. I like this shifter, got it from Summit Racing. So yeah. Hopefully soon I can get y'all a driving video and show how this thing rips. I'm still braking in the transmission, so that'll be a little bit before I could do full throttle pulls, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're all enjoying. Hopefully I can do some video on this car soon, which I just got a gas tank for. Model T Speedster. Model T engine, just like the other one over there. And then yeah, got this thing oil change. Finally has 450,000 miles, so pretty cool. I like it. 7.3 two-wheel drive, not four-wheel drive. Got Garrett ball bearing turbo with mechanical wastegate spring, and Banks ram air airbox, and that's it. Works pretty good. I like it.